Hello people of the lean world, I hope you're having a great 2025. I wanted to show you today what I did to fix what bugs me. There were footprints when I was 3Sing in the hallway in the house, so I realized the source of those footprints was the wet area outside here in the garden. As you can see, I've got a drainage issue. So I went outside, dug a hole, and lo and behold, I found a stormwater pipe. Perfect. So what I did is I cut 2 incisions in the pipe, and you can see here that I'm removing the pipe with the intention of taking it down to the local hardware store to see if they can give me some pieces. I'm not a plumber, so I'm not sure what the pieces are called, but to give me some accessories to get this water draining. So this is what they gave me. Cost me $50, which I was happy with. Went back, put the boots on, assembled the pieces, and put the slid them in and tightened the crap out of these 2 boots so they stay where they are. Place the drainage piece on the top, and so the idea is that there are some other drainage points in the garden, but this was the area that was accumulating all of the water, and it would stay there for a couple of days, which was too long. So the water comes down, and then the idea is it goes down this to the side of the house, and so I filled it back in and fixed what bugs me. So hopefully in time, when the grass grows back, the wet footprints won't be so evident in the house. Here's a bit of a test run. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.